I'm Robert, and you're welcome here in my busy little shop. On today's episode of What's on My Workbench, I'm going to run through my most popular belt this year. It's called the Western. And I wanted to take a minute and I'm going to go through and I'm going to describe each of these belts to you. And one of the purposes is to show you how much different you can make a belt look with the color combinations. But also, if you're thinking about the Western belt, I think it'll help clarify some of the different colors and combinations, because it can get a little bit confusing of what it is that you're looking for. I hope you enjoy following along today. This is the Western with fake turquoise spots, white thread in the center, black along the edges, with the Laramie buckle lined in brown. My next one here is going to be the blue Western with light blue thread in the center, royal blue along the edges, natural on the back with a stainless steel buckle and a leather loop on that. And it's really pretty classy looking. I have it here a little bit later shown with jeans. This next one is the copper Western. It has an antique copper buckle with antique copper spots on it, light brown with I think it has brown thread along the edges there as well. My next one is in golden brown, and it's got brown thread along the edges and white thread in the center. And that one's got a stainless steel buckle as well. Very nice looking belt. My next one is similar to the first one. This one has a gloss nickel buckle on it. And so you can see how it looks a little bit different without the engraved looking Laramie buckle. My next one is the blackout. As the name infers, it's all black. Black thread, black spots, black buckle. Someone that wants something a little bit fancier, but maybe they work in an environment where they can't have something that isn't but a black belt. My next one is in the dark faded golden brown. This one has the matte nickel buckle and has black spots on it. This is a 1-inch version here of the Western with the turquoise spots on it, and it's got brown on the inside of it. I think it's a very nice looking belt. Shows you it can be made in a thinner one. This is the blue Western, and you can see with jeans, it doesn't really stand out as much as maybe some people might think that it does. I think it's a pretty classy looking belt. Nice casual belt. My next one here is a kind of a repeat of the previous one there. You can see the black spots, black thread. This is in the faded golden brown, and this is in an 1.25 inch belt. The blue one previously was in an 1.5 inch belt. You can see there's two different colors here. We have the dark faded golden brown on the left and a mahogany on the right with black spots on those as well. Here is a mahogany with antique nickel spots, white thread with black along the sides. This one you can't see it, but it has a stainless steel buckle. This one here, someone wanted something a little different. They didn't want the spots. This one has a light gray thread in the middle, black thread along the edges. This is an 1.5 inch, and this one is a stainless steel buckle as well. Here's the a blue and a black together. You can see the two different types of buckles there that have been on the majority of these belts that I've made this year. This is my display that I had at the Artisan Show. Looks like there's 5 or 6 belts on the left that are all in the Western. You can see how they really look a lot different depending on what you do with the color on them. The belt next to it's a gunslinger. And then this is a little bit of a repeat of the first one. This one's got black on the inside and on the out. This has got blue along the edges, and it's got the fake turquoise spots. So instead of black along the edges, it's got blue thread along the edges. Well, thanks for following along today. I hope you enjoyed reviewing those belts with me. And you can see that with subtle differences in options as far as thread color or color of leather, you can make a belt that is totally different from one to the next. It surprises me how many times I've made the Western belt. This is just some of the color combinations that I've done. So I appreciate you being here today. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.